Big hit, high, might be a chance to be a catch here. Oh, placement is absolutely perfect. Sweep shot. And he's hit the back pad on the leg side, and he's not too good, it's gone for 4. Now he has smashed that straight into the knee of Yuvraj, and it's deflected 90 degrees.
Here we go. Straight up and right over the boundary. This one certainly didn't fall short like the previous attempt.
Peter Ware getting to the pitch of the ball and getting the elevation and the bottom hand to good use. It's gone quite a distance. Just for a moment Tendulkar at long on was interested, but after that it sailed into the crowd.
More runs. That pace will take it all the way to the boundary. Lots of room on the onside. There are only 3 fielders on that side of the wicket.
Leg spinner hitting it on the leg side, but he's not a big spinner of the ball. No great deviation off the pitch. So the shot was on. It was picked from middle leg. And we know Shahid Afridi can use the bottom hand.
Lots of space, as I said, on that onside. Not afraid to play against the so-called spin, Shahid Afridi.
By getting quick runs, they're getting themselves into a position without enough time to try and get India out. And again, poor line. He won't be a happy man. Anil Kumble, yet another boundary, this time to Kamran Akmal.
Well. Well, that's gone. That's number 36.
And equals Michael Holding. Also got 4 boundaries to go with it. Doesn't need to run if he can get runs and boundaries. He really is a big entertainer. Stand and admire. Why not? Will Kumble just try and get into the pads. But he gives himself a little bit of room, Shahid Afridi. That is a magnificent strike. And what a way to reach his half century. It's 545 for 5. Tools play.
Here we go. Has it gone all the way? Yes.
It's a big one. Whoa! It made a cracking sound.
That would have been 6 on any ground on earth. What a sound it made. It just kept going. Huge. That's vicious.
That's another one. Same result, different direction.
Is he losing his maturity? Well, he is now really going after the Indians. This is even a better hit.
Yes, you're absolutely right in suggesting that it was a better hit, because this one, anyone could have hit it. It was an off spinner from Harbhajan Singh. This hit picked up the straighter one. Got the force, power. Go for another one. 3 of 3 balls. Can it get better than this?
Look at the audacity of that. There are 3 fielders, 4 fielders on the onside minding that fence, and a faster delivery around the wicket, and he goes for another. And with ease. There's it with ease. So that's 3 out of 3. Is he going for 6 out of 6?
Fortunate to see his full gamut of hitting. That's another one. 4 of 4. Yes, he's got it. Couple, they've hit that against England. Well, another record for Shahid Afridi. First time ever that first 4 balls of an over has been hit for 4 sixes. Absolutely magnificent hitting.
Unbelievable is the word. Truly unbelievable. This is a test match, mind you. 602 for 5 now.
Another one that's gone in the air. This will test Anil Kumble. Will he get there? No, it escapes him. Shahid Afridi will take a couple of runs and he's disappointed. He was aiming for the 5th.
Well, he was fortunate that he wasn't out on that one. That's a mishit that landed inside, and once again the fielders couldn't quite reach it. So one more ball to go. Shahid Afridi 89.
27 runs off the over. Second most ever runs hit in 1 over in international test match cricket. 605 for 5. That's gone in the air, in the gap, and for a 4. Take the strike. What a good shot. Challenged VVS Lakshman, but he was sick into that channel. That ball whistled past him. Through his legs though.
Everybody on the ground is being tested. This is a cracker of a shot, just played off the front foot, mind you. The front foot square cut. Lakshman couldn't get down in time.
Let's not forget there was a run out. Here we go, he's on 99. Down the ground and a biggie. Oh, how well have you played today? How good a 100 is that? It's his 4th test 100. Second against India. And in just 17 balls. Look at the smiles on Inz. He doesn't know what to do. Should he declare now on Akmal, who's played so well? But congratulations, great knock.
Equal number of 4s and 6s for Shahid Afridi. He totally destroyed this bowling attack. And once the fielder came in, you knew he was going to be doing something like that. Even if he mistimed it, it would go over the top. He mistimed it and got a 4 instead of a 6.
Looked like he wanted to have another swing at that ball as well. He's had 2 hits in 1 delivery there. Great response. That might be out. Did he get all of it? No, he didn't. Sehwag, I think, is down there. No, it's Harbhajan Singh down there. Great knock, and it's a fantastic knock. What a knock it was.
A very costly test wicket, but a test wicket nonetheless. Banged it in, didn't quite get hold of that, Shahid Afridi. And a very simple catch.